Friends, this is for 6th and 7th class. According to 7th class, this is 4th chapter, and for 6th class, this is 8th chapter. Today we will start with the articles, and here we have two types of articles, indefinite and definite. There are only three articles in an English language. Then they are a, an, and the. Articles come under the category of determiners, and this is the part of a determiner. As you see, there are two types of articles, indefinite and definite. Indefinite we have a and an, and definite we have the. So indefinite articles are, we use a or an for single countable nouns. सिंगल काउंटेबल नाउन्स के साथ हम a यूज़ करेंगे और an यूज़ करेंगे. A and an are used before nouns that introduce something or someone who you have not mentioned before. जिससे आप मैंने दोबारा मेंशन नहीं कर सकते. आप नाउन से पहले इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, a है या फिर वो an है. A and an are also used when talking about one's profession. किसी के प्रोफेशन अगर हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं तो उसके आगे भी हम an और a यूज़ करेंगे. We already know that we use an when the noun we are referring to begins with a vowel sound words. It means vowel sound words के साथ हम an यूज़ करेंगे. Only vowel sound words, not the vowel words. With vowel sound words a, e, I, o, u, हिंदी में हम उन्हें स्वर कहते हैं. However, the pronunciation changes this rule if the words begins with a consonant sound. When we say it, then we use a. If the words begins with a vowel sound word, when we will say it, then we will use an. It means we have to use an when a vowel sound word is there. For examples, you see here, a stitch in time saves 9. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. ए वर्ड है, अ की आवाज़ आ रही है, स्वर की आवाज़ आ रही है. वी विल यूज़ एन. वेयर कॉन्सोनेंट अल्फ़ाबेट्स के साथ हम ए यूज़ करेंगे और वोवल साउंड वर्ड्स के साथ एन. द चिल्ड्रन सो एन एपी लास्ट इवनिंग. He ate a sandwich for breakfast. I am an English teacher. He is a builder. He is a university student. You can see here, you is the vowel word, but sound is of consonant alphabet, so we will use a. This is an umbrella. I shall be back in an hour. It is a historical moment. Now we have definite article. As we see, the is the definite article. We use the when we know that the listener knows or can work out which particular person thing we are talking about. The हम तब यूज़ करेंगे when the listener knows. जो सुनने वाला है वो जानता है कि हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द एप्पल यू एट वॉज रोटन. द एप्पल यू एट वॉज रोटन. यू को हम जानते हैं कि यू कौन है. देन वी विल पुट द. अगर हम एन एप्पल यूज़ करेंगे सो वी विल डोंट नो हु. सो दिस इज vowel sound word. Did you know? Did you look at the car? So next is, we also use the when we have already mentioned the things we are talking about. the हम उसके लिए यूज़ करेंगे जब हमें things mention की हुई है कि हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बता रहे हैं. For an example, Sheila was teaching her two children. Sheila was teaching her two children. Both the children were listening to her intently. Means we know who Sheila and who the children are. We use the to talk about geographical points on the globe. The is used for the name of the countries or about for the location or geographical points. We use the to talk about we use the to talk about rivers, oceans and seas. In short, I will tell you about the is used to just explain to for what things, particular things of particular name of a person, place, animal or thing we are talking about, and we know about what they all are. उनको हम जानते हैं कि वो कौन है, उनके बारे में जानते हैं. They are called definite articles and we will use the in front of them. So here I will give you some solved exercise. You have to do it in your fair notebook. This is filling the blanks with a, an or the wherever necessary. अगर ज़रूरत है तो fill करेंगे, otherwise put cross अगर जहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं है. First is Abhinav is a playing dash trumpet. So I will give you some solved exercise. Do it in your fair notebook. This is your homework you have to do. पोस्ट ऑफिस, पोस्ट ऑफिस जगह का नाम है, हमें पता है कौन सी जगह है, पोस्ट ऑफिस. सो वी विल पुट द. ड्रिंकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर इज़ गुड फॉर अस, अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. सो व्हेन देयर इज़ नो नेसेसरी ऑफ आर्टिकल्स वी विल पुट क्रॉस. And this is the second worksheet. You have to tick mark the article which is correct for the sentences. You can see. So do this exercise in your fair notebook and write down the main headings. First of all, write down the name of the chapter. Then you will write two types of articles, a, an or the. And here are some important points. You have to write it down like this only. Give some examples. And this is definite article. You have to write it down about it. And here is the example in front of it. You have to do it in your fair notebook. That's it.